Hey guys, I'm here with Lance with Nordic Air, and we're doing a home inspection. After the home inspection, we're doing a follow-up, and Lance is checking the HVAC system down here in the basement in the Anaheim house. So let's tell us like what kind of like to check maintenance for the HVAC and air condition. Like what do we have to check for as a what do
Basically,
buyers have to look for?
buyers or homeowners, which the first thing to do is make sure you have a good clean filter. So
Clean filter, okay.
yes, because what you don't want is you don't want this to get really dirty. That there is your blower assembly. So by having poor filtration, it causes this to get really dirty, which then causes premature equipment failure. So we don't want that. So as technicians, we check everything first to make sure it's clean. If it's not, then we check the amp draws on all the motors, and then we start checking the heat exchangers and all the components to make sure they're operating efficiently and correctly.
That sounds really complicated.
Well, we're technicians. This is what we do.
Yeah, yeah.
Takes a lot of years of training.
Like what? So like, what kind of other things that you check during your like maintenance when you do like?
Well, on the furnace, we do a safety inspection. We check all the components. We do amp draws on the motors and make sure all the wiring connections are proper.
Okay.
We check the venting for proper ventilation. We check the drains. We check the ducting for leaking. We check the air conditioner. We check the compressors and all the motors for proper operation and amp draws, wiring connections, and freon levels to make sure the charge is accurate.
I see. So you can you show us that battery that you took out of there and you were using that tester? Or
Yeah, to do a quick test on it, typically you check it under a load, but just real quick to do a fast check on this meter, I put it to microfarads. This capacitor is rated for 15 microfarads, and my meter is saying that it is 12, which the thing is still working, it's just a little weak.
I see.
So it's still running the motor,
Okay.
but it's a little lower than it should be, which causes the motor to work a little harder than it should.
I see. Okay. Any maintenance tips that homeowners can take with them, other than the replacing the
The best thing for a homeowner is to make sure you call for service once a year, service the furnace and the air conditioner, and make sure you keep up on the filters. If it's a 1-inch pleated filter, every 60 to 90 days.
Okay.
Not 6 months or a year like everyone thinks.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. That was Lance. So if on the YouTube channel, make sure you guys can reach out to him. We'll put the contact up there. So yeah, he's awesome. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.